Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Zepeto app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. We just click here on settings. So then it's going to show for your list like this here. Then all you have to do, just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps. Come to apps list here, and here you're looking here for here Zepeto app, or just click on search. Then here add zip picture, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on full stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.